So the first part of this video is going to be putting insulators on to the new fence that we're working on. We're going to put 4 wires on. So my brother had went through and marked out each of the spots for the 4 wires on the posts, and then I'm going back through and putting the insulators on. So these are the regular plastic type insulators that the wire will go through. It takes two screws to go in. So basically all I do is line it up on the line and put the 2 screws in. Alright, so I finished putting on fence connectors, at least for now. Both the drill batteries were dead, so I got about 100 put on. Next I'm gonna put a new starter on my Ford. The starter had went bad on it there, well, it's been a couple weeks ago now, so I stopped there and got a new one, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it put on here next. Out. We're gonna go in with the new one. Okay, let's see if it'll start.